This is the biggest Parkside case I have been unboxing so far. Look how much bigger it is than the other cases. Wow. Hello my viewers, hello YouTube. Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to unbox the Parkside Performance cordless angle grinder 40 volts. It works with 2 times 20 volt batteries, which are not included, and a charger is also not included. The model number is PWSAP40LIA1, and it's been delivered as a bare unit, as they call it, and that means it's without battery and without a charger. Compatible with all X20 volt team batteries, but the recommended battery is a 2 times 20 volt smart battery with a minimum of 4 amp hours. But I'm gonna give it a try with 2 times 2 amp hours with the normal battery. So it's suitable for grinding metal, stone, concrete. Rotation speed is 6000 RPM. The blade size is 230 millimeters. The holder is an M14 bolt, and it has a spindle lock function, and it's ready to connect with Bluetooth with the little home app. Has a brushless motor and of course 5-year warranty, and they compared it to the PWSA20 LIC3, and it's 84 larger disc size and up to 10 times longer motor life than that machine. And on the back side is in a multiple language, and your language will be there. It's a small description. We're gonna open up the box now. I also bought some discs. I bought this cutting disc and grinding disc set, 6 pieces, for about 7-8 euros. And I bought a single disc diamond cutting disc for cutting stone, also for 7-8 euros for one piece. Those are a little more expensive. Of course, the strong case with the metal hinges. Manual in a multiple language. Of course, there will be a language that you will understand. So there is enough space. You can put some batteries here and a charger in here. You can leave the disc on. You can leave batteries on the machine. There's this handle. It's a lot bigger than the regular grinders. Not handy to leave it on there, I guess. And it's a heavy machine. Wow. Around the battery you have these brackets, and it's attached with screws. As you know, I always buy the offers from Little Parkside. For this machine I paid 49 euros in an offer. The normal price, the regular price that it costs now, is 119 euros. And that's without battery and without charger. If you want to buy the smart battery, 20 volt 4 amp hours, it will be 45 euros. And if you take a normal charger for that, you can get them for 10 euros. And if you want the smart charger, it will be 35 euros. There are also 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour and 8 amp hour batteries available. 8 amp hour battery does fit in this machine, and it will cost you 70 euros each. But as I always say, wait for the offers, then it will be a lot cheaper. For placing the disc, you push this one, and then you turn until the button goes down like this. Let's do it again. And of course then we have the key here. So these are the discs in the set of 6 for 7.99. And I see they're not good at copying the language onto the discs, but it's okay. Roughening disc metal, separating disc stone, it's all color based. Separating disc metal. How to change the disc? We have two of these rings. This one is going on the first. It's the grip for the disc. That one with the little slot here is going to the machine side. Then you attach the disc. And we're gonna install it this way because I'm gonna do it wrong for like to show you. Put it on. Now if I move it, you will hear it will hit the housing. Then you know it's not good. So it has to be like this. This side is on the disc. And that little thing is on the outside. Like this. Don't drop it. Turn it all the way until it's tight. Then you hit the red button again. Now it locks. And then you tighten it up. Tighten it up very good. Wow, man. That machine is so big. Now you have been seeing this machine before on my channel. And this is the flathead angle grinder. And just to show you what the difference is between these two in size. Let's do the weight test. And with two amp hour batteries, comparing it to this one. That's a big difference. 1.46. And compare it to my Makita. .64. So the Makita is a lot heavier. Of course, we're gonna compare these. This is a 230 volt, 2200 watts, 6600 RPM. This is a 40 volt, 6000 RPM. So if you didn't watch this one, the full video is on my channel and you can watch it. Also, Parkside Professional. I'm gonna show you the model number now. Let's continue and go outside for testing. So we got three machines here, the 220 volt, the 40 volt, and the 20 volt. That one is not gonna cut through the pipe because the pipe is 5.5 centimeters. The other ones will. So let's give it a test. So the final test was to show you the difference between the 2 amp hour and the 4 amp hour batteries. Of course, the 2 amp hours are not the recommended battery. A minimum recommended battery is the 4 amp hours. So I did a test to show you what the difference is. And you could immediately see it got stuck a couple of times with the 2 amp hours. And you can also feel it. It's a lot stronger with the 4 amp hour battery. So if you look back at the video, you could see that the 4 amp hour has a higher RPM than the 2 amp hour. It also is stronger than the 2 amp hour. So that's why 2 amp hours are not recommended. But I did a test anyway. With the 4 amp hour, it's very strong. It's a nice machine. The handle is very nice to operate. Of course, it's up to you what you think about it. I hope I did show you the video in a right way so you can make a decision if this tool is suitable for you or your jobs. For now, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you like this tool, please give this video a like, very important for me. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you want to see future videos, subscribe to my channel for future videos. And I hope to see you next time.